If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this plain denim jacket into this fabulous patch embellished and bling embellished jacket for my daughter's 9th birthday, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so really quickly I'm going to go ahead and embellish this denim jacket. I think it's a size 10-12, it's cat and jack. I'm going to use E6000 glue, a wax pickup tool, and I'm going to use a little bit of this Bob Smith Maxi Cure glue on the buttons, the little metal buttons. This works excellent on that. And this is a series of, or this is a variety of all the patches and little bling things that I let my daughter pick out to put on her jacket. It's really similar to the jacket I did for my daughter who turned 3 last week, because their birthdays are actually 8 days apart. And you're just going to watch me just go ahead and add on some larger size bling, some resin planner charms, patches. Some of these patches I do have for sale, some of them I don't. It's just, I just keep a lot of different stuff for different projects when I need it. So you'll just kind of watch me add on the patches and bling to the jacket. Now, some of these patches are iron on, but I personally like to glue them on. For some reason, I've ironed patches on in the past. And that little sticky part on the back, sometimes it peels off and I just have to end up gluing it back on anyway. So for me, E6000 does work. Now I made myself a sweatshirt with a huge patch on it before, and I used E6000, and that was like 3 years ago. That patch is still going strong. So if you do wash something, sometimes you can dry it in E6000 and still be fine. But if you can air dry it, that works as well. So E6000 does hold it down pretty good with the patches. And nothing came off. I was kind of last minute. I did this the night before my daughter's birthday. So I did this like late in the hours of the evening. And the next day when we went and did her partying and birthday celebrating, nothing fell off her jacket. So the E6000 is pretty good. Actually, just last night, I went in Joann Fabric to find some beads for my daughter's little bead kits. She wants to make like little bracelets. Anyway, I went down the glue aisle and I saw E6000. They have like a purple tube of it and it said quick hold. Have you ever used that before? Because E6000, in my opinion, doesn't take that long to cure. On tennis shoes, I would definitely wait 48 hours, 24 hours before you wear them. But with a jacket or a shirt or something, I think about 5+ hours, it'll be okay as long as you're not too wild about it. But I can't wait to try this new E6000. It's a purple tube and it says quick hold. I'll have to read it and see exactly how quick they're saying. I don't know if it's instant or what, but I'm really excited about that. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this jacket that I added the patches on for my daughter's birthday outfit. And when she saw my 3-year-old daughter's jacket, she was like, "Oh, mommy, I want my jacket just like that." Oh yeah, I didn't put anything on the back, so that's optional. I think later I may add their name on the back, or maybe one of those iron-on transfers that I get from Amazon, because they show up really good on denim. I don't know, but I'm okay with their jacket not having anything on the back, and so are they, but that's definitely optional. But this just gives you a cute little idea of what you can do for your daughter's birthday, or you can make a jacket like this for yourself. It's completely up to you. I hope that you did find this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up or share it on Facebook. And you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. And if you do decide to subscribe to this channel, that would be awesome. But make sure you do also hit that notification bell so that you will be updated every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Oh, and just in case you didn't see the video I did, this is the jacket I did for my 3-year-old daughter. I have a whole video of how I did this jacket. It's really cute as well. So you could check this video out also, just to show you how it looks in a smaller size. Okay, bye-bye. website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10all. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.